See inside mail cars. Do you own one of these? Or have you seen one of those? These mail cars are really nice. We are gonna see the details inside the mail cars. I get this on a lot before. As you can see, I have not retouched or repainted the roof. See there, it shows a lot of scratches. Really nice set. Okay, let's open it. I want you to see the details inside the mail car. Alright, first let's go to the background. This right here is a whole sticker, and I assume this should be a window right there, and we have the lamp and a sort of map right there, and hiding in the back is a small package and a bag and handbags. I think it's for the mailman bags. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. These are really nice details. If you pay close attention. Now we have the working table, I think, and the packages. Another box right here. A hand car. I think that's the right term. Hand car, I think. Okay. And we have a lot of bags. More. Oh, look at this. This right here is a handbag, I think. What do you think? It looks like see the one, the background on the sticker. Yeah, it looks like it's a handbag to me. Or is it a clock? Wall clock? I don't know. And more packages right over there. Looking at the details, these mail cards, they look real good, really nice. If you have the opportunity to get one of these, I recommend you to keep it and treasure it, because these are getting expensive over the time and rare to collect. I mean, there is still some for sale, but you can get it and repaint the roof. I will try to repaint later, but this will be a nice item for your collection. If you have it, or if you already have it, that's good, excellent. Now let's take a look at the next one. This other mail card is interesting right here. Let's see the stickers right here. Okay, this is a sort of a compartments box for the mail. I think I see a kind of book, pencils, a lot of stuff on the stickers. I don't know if you can clearly see it or no. And same for the lower area on this working table. Okay, let's go to the details on this table. We have a kind of, I think it's a bag or just a regular package. Oh look, a pen right there. Yeah, it's a pen. And a letter, more letter, another pen, and I don't know what's this. It's really small. I can't see it, but it's nice. We have 3 small bags for the mail. I mean, large bags for mail. It's small for the size of the car. Now we have a working table with a lot of letters right there. Lot of letters. Really nice detail. I mean, the company took a lot of time to paint the edge where the letters are, separating the green table with the letter. And we have the mailman right there. The mailman dropped 3 small letters. That's really cool. Really nice. Does it move now? Okay, and we have a bunch of letters right over here. Looks like the mailman has a lot of work to do. Yep. See the other packages right here. And actually, I think these might represent the stamp or the postage right there. Yeah, I think so. Oh, look at the background. We have a kind of basket full with a lot of stuff, letters, and right here is a pen container with a lot of pens. I barely see that. I don't know what's right here in the background, but it looks really cool. And another lamp, and this is the mailman bag. Those little details over there, oh, those are tiny, really tiny. And the printer they use, oh, they capture all the details. Really nice. Wow, I'm impressed. My printer doesn't get that much of details. Wow. What can you see on this area? Please leave in the comments below. I barely see it. I am too tiny for me. Even if I zoom in the image, can't see. Yeah. But these sets are really nice. You can open it all the way, or it should, yeah, it should stop right there too. Really nice set. What do you guys think? I think this is a really nice collector's item. If you have the opportunity, buy them. Keep them in a safe place. Treasure these trains because they are getting rare. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys something I'm working right now. I will show you just the wheels. Maybe you can figure it out what I'm working on it. That's not the real blue. This is being painted. I'm gonna turn off the exposure of my camera so you can see the real blue color. There you go, see that? It's a little dark blue. So we have 4 and 4 wheels. 2 fronts, 2 back. Okay, 4 back wheels and 4 front wheels. Anyways, hope you guys like this video and keep tuned. There's a new custom train coming. Okay, thank you, bye.